SUMIF is one of the most useful functions in Excel to perform conditioning calculations. With the help of this SUMIF function, you can easily add together a range of values that meets the condition that you have fixed. I have prepared a set of sample data to demonstrate how to use the SUMIF function step by step. Here we have a set of data about a summary of the order information, and I would like to sum up the total price for October as per the filter indicated. So let's get started. Enter the command SUMIF, and you can see that the formula requires 3 critical parameters to perform the calculation. The first parameter will be the search data source, consists of a range of cells. The SUMIF function will only pick up the matched cells for the calculation. For this example, I will select the months columns A2 to A13. The second parameter is the search or the filter value you are looking for. For this example, I'm looking for orders months of October. The final parameter will be the range of return values if the search matches, and the formula will auto sum up all the return values for you too. For this example, the range of return values will be D2 to D13. I will execute the SUMIF function now, and as you can see, it returns a total of $7,000 here. I can perform cross-checking by manually adding together all the October orders. There you are! Congratulations that you have learned how to use the SUMIF function in Excel. You may download the sample data for practice from the link in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for a more helpful tutorial like this.